Former Eastleigh North Police Station Commander Rebecca Muraya and her junior officer Abdisalam Ahmed are facing criminal charges for allegedly torturing a woman of British national. The two are accused of unlawfully detaining Ayni Hussein Mahammud on December 31st, 2021. The prosecution informed the court the duo using their position at the National Police Service ordered the arrest and detention of Mahammud at Muthaiga Police Station for 2 days with the motive of intimidating her from pursuing an assault complaint she had lodged against a suspect, Abdihakim Saidi Jama. Details in the Scales of Justice segment.
Appearing before Milimani's Chief Magistrate Lucas Onyina, the officers Rebecca Njeri Muraya and Abdisalam Ahmed pleaded not guilty to 2 counts of abuse of office.
The accused persons are entitled to fair administrative actions and processes.
The two allegedly held Ayni Hussein Mahammud in custody without lawful justification for 2 days. The detention was allegedly meant to coerce her into withdrawing a complaint against one Abdihakim Saidi Jama.
The decision was irregular, illegal, or unlawfully obtained. The DPP cannot exercise the request to review that decision. They cannot sit on their own recommendation.
It is alleged that despite her initial report, the officers reportedly failed to take action against Jama.
Upon plea taking, the matter will be allocated a mentioned date in 7 days' time as sought, so that if need be, the DPP can make any necessary application in relation to the charges, including but not limited to any application for amendment under Section 214 of the Criminal Procedure Code.
And a human rights organization has filed a petition at the High Court challenging a presidential committee formed to audit and resolve the issue of pending bills. Operation Linda Jamii, through its legal representative, Professor Fred Ogola, appeared before Justice Grace Nzioka and argued that the committee's mandate lacks constitutional grounding and that the country is grappling with an economic crisis fueled by the government's failure to clear all the pending bills.
It is criminal that the government thinks they can lend you 60 billion shillings to hustler funds, to the small, medium enterprises, while they owe you over 400 billion shillings in pending bills.
The matter is scheduled for mention on 25th April 2025 for further directions. Elsewhere, two Nyama Mama Restaurant directors Nia Shangavi and Jaya Shangavi have filed a petition on the Milimani High Court against Victoria Commercial Bank, seeking a compensation of 2 billion shillings.
They're seeking a compensation of 2 billion. We are also seeking for a declaration that several articles of the Constitution were grossly violated.
The two claim the bank falsely accused them of criminal misconduct charges that were later withdrawn after intervention by the Director of Public Prosecutions.
We shall also be writing to the regulator, the Central Bank of Kenya and the Kenya Bankers Association, to oversight the gross abuse that financial institutions are engaging and how many deaths of their customers they have occasioned.
Ruth Wamboy for Prime Edition.